Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Tolleson local and long distance movers near me. You have very few options when you want to relocate. You can either decide to hire non professionals with no experience at all in the art of relocation, or you invite professionals with decades of experience and the right equipment to ensure that your mine is successful. It is difficult to envisage that you'll choose non professionals when you can experience quality and security with a firm like 3 Movers. Unlike non professional firms that may damage or destroy your goods, even though they offer their services at a cheaper price range, we provide you with affordable and quality moving services that will secure your relocation, even down to the health of your properties. We do not lose or damage clients' goods and are driven to succeed by the hope that we can always make a customer's dreams come true. 3 Movers offers a cheap, quick, convenient, and reliable relocation service in Tolleson, Arizona. With us at the helm of your relocation, you can ensure that every phase of your relocation will be organized and managed effectively. You can be sure that we will always have your back throughout the time you traverse this relocation path. We've done it before, and we can do it again with no stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tolleson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.